Hi, in our video this time, we want to talk about Snow Wash Car Shampoo from Dr.Chemist. Snow Wash Car Shampoo can create plenty of snow foam. It also can remove dirt easily and contain anti-rust agent. The mixture ratio for this shampoo is as follows. For snow foam sprayer and pail, mix 1 shampoo to 10 water. For example, 100 ml shampoos to 1 liter water. For the snow tank compressor, the ratio is 1 shampoo to 70 water. Let's see the way how to use it. First step, fill the bottle with water and shampoo according to the ratio. Second step, close the bottle with the spray head and shake the bottle to mix well. Third step, pump the spray head until it's hard to be pumped. Fourth step, spray the shampoo mixture on the vehicle surface. Fifth step, use sponge to even out the shampoo and scrub the tough dirt. Sixth step, rinse with water until clean. And that's all you need to do. It's easy, right?